Hi, welcome back for part 3 in my series on how to use Google Drive in the classroom. So you now see my brand new Gmail account that I've created specifically for use in my classroom for interacting with my students. A couple of welcome email addresses. Now the thing to understand is that Gmail will always be the heart of your Google account. Anything you do with your Google account, you're going to do through Gmail. It also happens to be my favorite email platform. It's got a lot of cool features, contacts, tasks, your inbox over here. You can create different folders, compose new letters. But this isn't about Gmail. This is about Google Drive. But again, you access it through your Gmail account. So once you've logged into Gmail, to access your Google Drive, you're going to go up here to the right-hand corner. I want you to look at this set of 9 boxes. Just up here in the corner, this is your portal to all of the Google apps. This will open worlds for you because there's so much that Google does nowadays, and this is where you get it, through this little box up here. So Google Plus, YouTube, Maps, a calendar, everything's here. What we're looking for is Drive, Google Drive, this one. So one more time, click up here, Drive. That's the only part that could be tricky, because honestly, this little tab up here is a little inconspicuous. You might miss it or forget that it's there. So once again, you click there and click on Drive. I now have 2 tabs of Drive open because it opens every time. So because I've just created this account, I'm getting the new welcome screen. You can look through these at your own leisure. But what we're trying to do today is just show you the bare bones basics. How do I create a document? How do I upload an existing document? How do I edit it? Well, on the left, this is your navigation pane. Here you're going to see lists of your Drive documents. You can create new folders. You can organize them. On the right, you will see all the same things, all the documents, but in larger icons. So for right now, let's just create a new document. It's this big red button on the left that says New. You can see there's a bunch of different kinds of things I can do. I can create a document, create a spreadsheet, create a PowerPoint presentation, or I can create a new folder to organize my things. I can upload a file from my computer, from my hard drive on my local storage, or upload an entire folder from my local hard drive. So for now, we're creating a new document. Let's just go ahead and click on Google Docs. So once again, you just click New, go to Google Docs. Back over to the new tab that I've created. This is what it looks like when you first create a new document. This will look very similar to your whatever your current familiar word processing program is. If you use Microsoft Word, this does all the same things. You've got your normal tabs up here. You can edit it, copy and paste. You can save, rename, make a copy. You can change the formatting. You can change your zoom level. You can change your font size. I like to set standards for font and font size when I'm accepting student papers from students. Otherwise, you end up with, students selecting 18-point font. All your different formatting features are all available here. And once you're here, you use it just like a normal word processor. You can do anything with it that you otherwise normally could. It should be pretty intuitive once you're here. One thing I want to point out is the title. The title starts out here, and if you don't explicitly change the name, it will save it as untitled document. So something you want to make sure to do yourself, and you want to make sure to train your students, is to always rename their documents. Otherwise, you're going to have just page after page of documents titled untitled document. That's really not helpful. So all you need to do is click on the title in order to rename it. You put in your new title. I'm just calling it test document. And now it's saved. So let's go back over to the main Drive page so you can see it. I can either just click on the tab to get back over there or close this tab. It saves automatically. You never need to save it. You're never going to have anything lost. You can see right here, all changes saved to Drive. Every change you make is automatically saved. That's one of the great features of this. So I'm going to close this. Now here you can see the document right here that I just created. And if I want to upload a file, it's pretty easy. Just click File, Upload. It'll give you a chance to search through your computer and find the file you want.